Morning guys, Dr. Netling from RBTI. If I look at nature and there's beautiful trees, but if I turn around, there's a camp. There's a camp. Isn't it hard so that with how we got bored up, we get bored up with rich and poor, fat and thin, black and white, NG Church and Methodist Church, and we build our own perceptions, we build our own ideas, our own opinions, and if anyone says anything other than what we've been taught, we close up. We're working with Western medicine, pharmacy. We're working with hospitals. If you go to the sea, there's sharks in the sea, and 0.003 people out of 100 people, 1,000 people, die because of shark attacks. If we look at the most deaths in the world, number one, it's mistakes that people do, that doctors do in hospitals. Number two, it's a side effect from medication. And now we are scared to swim in the sea, but we're not scared to go to a doctor. And a doctor give us medication. And we go to an old age home with a flippant pack of medicine, and we drink all these medicines with side effects. People don't die of AIDS, they die of side effects of medication. Where God says in the Bible a dozen or more times, I'll give you the leaves of the trees as medicine and the fruit as meat. I'll give you the leaves of the tree as medicine. And then he says people will die because of witchcraft. Witchcraft is pharmakeia in Hebrew, is drugstore in English, is man-made chemicals. And if you give plant medicine, you're a sangoma, or you're a shaman. If you give drugs, you're a doctor. That is the camp that we put up in our brain. And I want to say it like a school teacher, stop it, stop it. Stop running to the drugstore. If you got chemo, you go to Tygerberg Hospital or whatever hospital you go and to get chemo, 5% out of 100 people, 5 out of 100 will live, 95 will die. Not because of cancer, they're dying because of side effects of medication. They're dying of the toxic chemo that's been put in their bodies, and that's what's killing them. If you got cancer, look at your body's pH, take your saliva pH, take your urine pH, look what your pH is, like a fish tank, like a swimming pool, that's acidic, viruses lives in there, likewise our body. Like vegetation or on a farmer with agriculture, if you get lice on your plants, or ticks or whatever you call it, then the plant is too alkaline. If you get rust and like a disease, your plant is too acidic. Then you don't spray poison like Monsanto and the pond do. You look at the soil and you correct your soil. If you're interested in agriculture, speak to me. We've built a few farms with RBTI Dr. Reams. Go Google it. RBTI Dr. Reams Agriculture. Go look at humans. RBTI as applied to human and their nutrition. That had a 99% success in reversing cancer. If you got cancer, diabetes, or cholesterol, or sugar, or gangrene, or gout, or lupus, or rheumatoid arthritis, or osteoporosis, it's not diseases. It's side effects from a lifestyle. And we're enslaved and we're in box. We're in a little camp, like this camp behind me. We're in camps and we live in this camp for the rest of our lives. Contact us, Dr. Netling, RBTI Health. We're in Pretoria now. If you got cancer or any like disease, contact us guys. Thank you.